welcome back to the channel. We're doing another tire video. So I'll be washing these. I already washed this one obviously, but I'm gonna wash this one for you guys, and then I'll be ceramic coating them. I already ceramic coated this, and they're not perfect. This truck is obviously 7 years old, so you know, back behind there it's kind of, they're not brand new, but I've already ceramic coated these two. So the next video I'll show you how to ceramic coat it. I'll be using Adam's ceramic. So I need to clean this bad boy. So let's get into it. I don't know if you can see the difference. Let me see. I'm sure you can. It's hard to tell on the camera, but all right, let's get to it. So first I'll be using this eraser wheel. You can see kind of some of this leftover sticky weights. I need to get that off. So I'll hit it with this, and then I'll take some alcohol or goof off and get the rest of the residue off. See, there's a little spot there too. So let's do that and we'll come back. So I got a lot of it off. There was one right here I got. That little one I got off. They kind of scratched it. All right, let's get to washing. So now I'm going to polish them. But first, let me blow this off. Now I'm using this as chrome polish. So let's do this. Hey, buddy. Look who showed up. Say hey. This is Mr. Woody.
He wants to work with you.
He wants to come out and work, but
It's too hot.
he's a pain.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Alright, let's get back to it. So I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it is hazy. And so once it gets a little hazy, take a microfiber, obviously, and you wipe it down. Look at this now, and watch when I get finished wiping this off, it'll be real shiny. Look at that right here. Not too bad, huh? Alright, let's do the other side. pretty much it. How to clean some chrome wheels. And like I said, about to ceramic coat them with the graphene advanced. They say this lasts about 9-10 years, but I'll do some updates on it to see exactly how long it lasts. So I got the whole kit. But yep, see, this one's clean. Look how shiny this sucker is. Yep, so stay tuned for the next video. I'll be showing you how to ceramic coat the wheels. Thanks for watching.